Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic regression analysis. Friend, we have taken this topic from project management body of knowledge PMBOK, and with respect to project management, this is an important topic. And if you are studying project management in university or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so you will see this topic in the exam. At least 4 to 5 questions will be there in the exam in which your concept related to regression analysis will be checked. Secondly, friend, if you are a professional project manager or a sales manager or business analyst, so your knowledge about regression analysis should be very clear, that how you can use this concept in your professional and implementation life of business analyst or a project manager. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Regression analysis. Friend, if you just see the term regression analysis, that means it is something which is related to analyzing. Analyzing means, friend, suppose you are a sales manager and trying to predict next month's number. You know that dozens, perhaps even hundreds of factors, from the weather to a competitor's promotion to the rumor of a new and improved model, can impact the number. For example, see friend, whenever we are working in any organization, especially in the sales section, we have to do the forecast. So based on multiple factors, we can forecast that what will be the outcome of something. For example, let's suppose you are working in any mall, and you want to know that what will happen in the weather of rainfall. Okay, if you just see from like hypothetically or without any analysis, so most of the people will definitely say that in the season of rainfall the sale will decrease. Okay, so if you don't use any numbers or if you don't use any analysis, so based on our experience, or based on our we can say a rule of thumb, or just from our mindset, we can say that if the rainfall starts, so the sale will definitely be decrease. And if you just ask from any person, like for example any friend or any colleague, so he will also give you multiple reasons and multiple justifications that what will be the impact on the sale in case of rainfall. However, friend, if we when we talk about regression analysis, so the concept of regression analysis is that we use facts and figures, we use the historical data, and based on that we can give you some forecast. Okay, so this is the main idea of regression analysis. For example, if you just try to understand the concept here, for example, if we can say, like, from since last 3 years we collect the data of rainfall and the yearly data and sales data, and we can match that what will happen last 3 years, so we can predict about the next year. Like for example, last 3 years we have noticed that during the season of rainfall the number of sale will increase. Okay, I'm just giving you an idea, or just giving you trying to just give you the idea of regression analysis, that it basically uses the historical data, and by using the historical data we can predict about the future. Remember one thing, that the prediction about or forecast about the future, it is based on the historical data. It is not just our mindset mind frame. We are giving you the forecast based on the number, based on the real factors. It is not our creation from our own mind. First thing, and then and the second thing is that there is a mathematical calculation involved, and based on the mathematical calculations we can forecast about the regression analysis. Friend, second one another thing is that regression analysis you can used in the sales section, in the project management as well. Main idea is that by using the historical data we can predict, we can forecast about the future, and it is based on the mathematical calculation. Let me give you a very good example here. For example, like the last 5 years data we have collected, that what will happen since last 5 years for a sale, what will happen in the last 5 years in the season of rainfall on the sales. So friends, see, there are two main factor. One factor is sale and second factor is rainfall. So what is your main factor, like in which factor you are interested? You are basically interested in sales. So sale is your dependent weather, dependent variable, and it is dependent on the weather or rainfall. So friend, the if you can just see from here, there are two axes are there, y axis and x axis. On the y axis we plot the numbers which is based on the sale, and sale is the dependent variable on the rainfall, and in the here we will plot the rainfall. So since, just we can say, like since last 5 years, what is the impact of rainfall on the sale? So we can think that we have noticed that whenever with the passage of time, whenever the rain increase, the sale will also increase. Okay, you can just see, like we have plotted the numbers, we have plotted the points based on the matching between the sale and this is the sale axis, and this is the rainfall. So we have noticed that whenever the rainfall is increasing, the sale is also increasing. So this is a very strange finding when we have analyzes this factor, that during the rain season, the rain season, the sale will also increase. And how we have predicted, we have noticed this based on the mathematical calculation, based on the graphical representation, and based on that we can predict about future as well. We can say, like since last 5 years, the sale is increasing whenever the rainfall is increasing. So based on that we can say, like in the next year, the sales also will increase if the rainfall will also increase. Here very important factor here is that, so how much rain will increase, only then when the sale will increase. Though, so what is the number of rainfall, so at which the sale will increase? So for this reason we can draw a simply a line here. Okay, so this line will help you answer with some degree of certainty how much you typically sell when it rains a certain amount. So if you see from here, if you draw draw a line like that, it gives you insight, it gives you knowledge that what will happen on the relationship between the rainfall and the sale. Like at some certain point of rainfall, when it will increase, only then the sale will increase. Okay, if the certain number of rain is not increased, then the sale will also be not increase. So friend, this is called as the concept of regression analysis, in which we have analyzing the past historical data, and based on that we predict about the future, and the prediction based on the mathematical calculation. The calculation of forecast is based on two variable, dependent variable for which you are want to analyze, like sale here is the dependent variable, and the independent variable which is like independent, like here the rainfall is independent variable which is not dependent on anything. Okay, so based on that we can do the calculation, and we can analyze the historical data, and we can forecast about the future. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you.